Good morning, everyone. Today is day 13 in your packet. Materials needed, you're going to need that quiet place to work, your day 13 pages in your packet, some crayons, and a pencil. Okay, so for the first page, first let's begin by writing our names. Make sure you're writing your first and last name. Okay, the directions say, look at each picture and say the name. Write the beginning sound of each word under the picture. We've done the first one for you. So let's see, the first picture is a top. So do you see how they wrote t, the T sound? Okay. So now let's look at the next picture. This is an ant. Ant. For this word, it's a little bit tricky, but if you listen carefully, you can actually hear a vowel word at the beginning of the word, not just one sound. Ant. Do you remember what two letters make the word an? A-N. That's right. Ant. So they already have the N and the T sound. So all we need to do is write the A. Ant. Very good. And I'll do the next one with you, and then I'll just say the pictures for the last 6 of them. So the next picture is boot. Boot. What sound does boot begin with? B. Okay, and what letter says B? B. So we're going to write a B. Oops. All right, the next picture is a key. Key. Go ahead and write the first letter sound. Oops. Key. And then we have pea. These are peas in a pea pod. Pea. This one is an axe. Axe. You can use to, people used to chop wood. Axe. And then we have cake. Cake. This is fan. And this last picture is a hat. So go ahead and write all the first letter sounds and make sure you color in all of your pictures. The next page says write the missing letter. This time the missing letter is at the end of the word. So we're going to listen for the last sound we hear. Okay, so again, I'll do the first couple with you, and then I'll just say the pictures, what the pictures are. So this first picture, I see some scissors here, but it starts with a K. Oh, I know, cut. The scissors cut the paper. So let's see, what sound do we hear at the end of the word cut? T, t. What letter says T? T. And I should have mentioned beforehand that if anyone is struggling with the letters and sounds, please take out the alphabet chart that I sent home. It has all of the letters, and there's pictures underneath them. So you can have this available too. I should have said that with materials. But you can have your child look at the chart and help. They can look at the chart, and then they can find the letters and the sounds that way as well. Okay, so let's see. We have cut. And then this next picture here is some bread. This is called a loaf. Loaf. What sound do you hear at the end of loaf? F. Very good. Okay, and the next picture is a bathtub. So, tub. Tub. B, b. What sound do you hear at the end of tub? B. Very good. All right, so now I'm just going to go and say the pictures, and then you can write the letter sounds. This is a pen. 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 And then we have a yak. Yak. This is a wig. Wig. This is ham. Ham. This next one is the number 6. 6. And the last one is a cap. Cap. So go ahead and write all of your letter sounds, and then please color in the pictures. Oh, and don't forget to write your name at the top. All right, so our last page is some addition, and this addition goes up to 10. So I'll do one with you, and then you can solve the rest of them by yourself. So let's start with our name at the top, first and last name. Okay, so the first one we have 4. So for this, you can use your fingers. You can use the little blocks or cubes you have at home. I mean, you can use buttons. Anything you have available to help you count, you can use. You could also, for some of these, draw a picture right underneath. When it goes up to 8 and 7, those could be a little tricky to fit them all in, but you might be able to draw a picture too. So I'm going to do it by drawing a picture, and this is what I mean. So we have 4, so you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, 1, 2, and now we're going to count them all together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you can go ahead and solve all of your addition problems, and then when you're done, please take pictures and send to Miss Nicole in Portfolio. Bye, guys!